Who ate all my pickles? Oh, I have to catch the thief. And I know just how to do it. First, I need some pictures. Oh, perfect. Now put the picture in the jar. Oh yeah, this looks scary. Now let's put the picture of the pickles onto the other side. All right, this should scare whoever's been stealing my pickles. Hey, hello. Do you know who's been stealing my pickles?
Oh, pickles? No, I don't know.
It better not be you. Oh, I have to go. Okay, bye.
Whew. Luckily, she didn't know I was lying. Ooh, a full jar of pickles. She won't know if I just took one. Witch!
Ah! Huh? You called me?
Huh? I saw your head in the jar. How are you here?
It's called magic, and I caught you. You're the pickle thief. Give it to me. It's just a picture, see? You'll never steal my pickles again.
Ah! Ghost lady, don't scare me like that!
It's so fun, you're so easy to scare. Boom!
Again? Why do you keep scaring me?
It's because I'm trying to make you a tougher monster.
I don't want to be tough.
But you have to be.
Ghost lady's always trying to scare me. I hate it. Oh! I'm gonna use this eyelash glue and this fake nail to scare Ghost Lady back. Put the nail on my lip, then apply eyelash glue. Lastly, add some red lip gloss to make it look like blood. Oh, this looks so good. Now time to scare Ghost Lady. Ghost Lady, help! Help! Ghost Lady!
What happened? What's wrong?
My lip, I got a nail stuck in it.
A nail? How did that even happen?
It hurts so bad. Just help me take it out.
I'm sorry, vampire. I just don't like blood.
Got you. It's just a prank. It's a fake nail, see? And I guess you're not so tough either, Ghost Lady, huh?
What, a fake nail? You got me good.
Yeah, I did.
Get it off. Get it off.
Relax, witch. It's just a fake spider, see?
I don't care. I hate bugs.
Wait, aren't you a monster? Why are you scared of bugs?
It's because they're so ugly and disgusting. Ugh. I'm out of here.
I can't believe her. She thinks my spiders are ugly and disgusting. I'll show her. Ooh, she's not in her room. I can sneak in. I know just what to do to prank her. I'm a prank witch by putting spiders in her lip. I'll tape one here. And another one here. And the last one right there. Awesome! Now when she's gonna turn on her lamp, she's gonna see spiders. That's what you get for calling my spiders ugly.
I'm so tired. Time for bed. Oh, I forgot to do something. Spiders! Why is there spiders in my room? Oh, get away! Get away! What happened? Oh, there's so many spiders in my room. Look!
It was a prank. You're such a scaredy cat, witch.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look. See, it's fake. You gotta be more tough. You're a monster.
I guess you're right.
Here, try touching it.
Vampire, is that my food?
No, I don't think so.
Let me see.
It is mine. Give it back.
Oops, sorry.
Vampire's always stealing my food. I know what to do. I'll use this hole puncher and this clear cord to make a sliding plate. First, punch a hole into the plate. Now tie it with a string. Make sure it's tight. Perfect. Time to go prank vampire. Let's go hide.
Ooh, did Ghost Lady forget her food again? She won't know that I took a piece. Huh? What's going on?
I knew she would try to steal again.
Huh? Did the plate just move? Nah, it's just my imagination. Ah, it did move! It's a ghost!
I got her good.
Why does it keep moving? I'm out of here!
That's what you get for stealing my food, vampire! Witch, stop playing games and help me move these boxes!
Give me a minute. I'm almost done. Oh, whatever.
I've been cleaning all day and Witch is only worried about playing games! Ugh!
Oh, Witch, still playing games?
with these boxes, you're not going to the monster party later.
Okay, just give me 2 more minutes and then I'll move the last box.
Okay, fine, but you better do it fast.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe I brought these all by myself. Oh, I'll prank Witch. When Witch comes by the boxes, I'll jump out and scare her.
Oh yes, I won! I gotta get rid of this box so I can go to the monster party.
I hear her coming. I'm gonna get her so good.
Oh man, this thing's so heavy. Whew, I'll go get ready for the monster party now. Oh no, the box is too heavy. I can't get out.
Help! I'm stuck. Anybody help!
Vampire, happy Halloween!
Thanks, but what is this?
It's a Halloween lamp. You can put it on your desk.
Thanks for the Halloween lamp, Witch.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go visit Ghost Lady. See you.
Okay. Why does she always give me weird stuff on Halloween? What is this? I'm gonna take a nap. Huh? Oh, it's just a lamp that Witch gave me. Why is it so scary? Oh, just put it over here. Back to bed. Huh? Oh my monster, I need to get rid of it. I can't sleep. Now I won't be able to see it, so I can go to sleep.
I'm watching you.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our Halloween pranks video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!